Hey guys, quick update, and we're going to let you know that I finally got to work today. I went out and I probably only worked maybe 4 or 5 hours. It wasn't too much, just enough to give me some cash coming in, I guess. Then I can do some inside work tomorrow and finish up the route work that I had started today on Friday because that's the way the weather is rolling. Early this morning, I got up, made my coffee, had my breakfast, and got on Facebook. They have a window cleaning page that I talk about here every now and then. I met a guy named Kevin, and he actually entertained me to give him a call, and we discussed a lot of things that were kind of important and very constructive. So I want to shout out to Kevin and thanks for helping me out. Told him what I was going to do, and he gave me some hints on pay scale or how to incentivize your guys. Maybe a base salary and then incentive maybe 50 cents or $1 per hour if they do these things. For instance, if he shows up on time or quality of work or different things like that. And it sounded pretty good. I think I'm going to talk to him a little bit more about all that. We talked about divvying up the percentages. I should be right around 50% with my wages, and I'm pretty close to that at this point um, on my numbers. And we also talked about water-fed pole and different things like that, which I have a water-fed pole. I use it, but I use it very, very sparingly, only on really high jobs and maybe things that I don't want to get on a ladder to do. So we discussed some of that. I think I'm gonna go up there and hopefully knock on his door, and he can show me a few hints or pointers on using the water fed pole because I've never been taught. It's all self taught, but that's where I'm at right now, and I might start using that pole a little bit more if I can gain some confidence and knowing what's going on with it. Have a real hard time letting go with the window squeegee because I feel like I do a really, really good job. And from my experience, the water fed pole does not do near the job. But if you set the expectations with your customers and let them know, a lot of times they're okay with that. And there are some advantages to using the water fed pole. But it's really nice to be able to reach out to somebody that's been there, done that as well. And I've been doing it for 28 years, but I got so much more to learn. I've kind of been in a bubble in my 28 years, and reaching out right now and talking to other guys that have been in the industry really, really helps. So that's what I got for today. Again, thanks for joining me on my journey. I'm inching ever so slowly towards my goal, and we're going to reach it this year. So give me some encouragement. Share, like, do whatever you need to do. It'll be appreciated. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.